the last day of West Virginia gun season, and might come as a surprise, but I'm actually going for a doe. If a good buck comes by, great, but my goal for today is to knock down a doe for the landowner. It's a little windier than I like already, as the sun's starting to break over the horizon, and it's a little warm. It's in the 40s, low 40s. It's supposed to warm up into the 50s. But I'm hunting a transition area from bedding to big timber, a thicket, and figure it's as good a place as any to catch a doe coming back from a feeding area back into their thicket or bedding area and see if I can't knock one down. But we've had a good season so far. I've been able to harvest a really nice Ohio deer. I got a nice West Virginia deer, both of those with my bow. And then my boy Mason was able to harvest a really nice Ohio deer with a crossbow. And then I took a nice doe with my 350 Legend here in West Virginia. I'd like to go ahead and knock another one down. Like I said, I've had a really good season. I've passed up a lot of nice deer. A lot of them got killed by neighbors, but they can't make it to next year if you shoot them. And I did have an upset where I was shooting a 9-point that was just a good deer, and I must have hit high and shoulder or single lung or something, but it appears that we think the deer is still alive. And I've seen him on his feet. But anyways, it's starting to really lighten up some here. So I'm going to jump off and try to keep my eyes open. So wish us luck. Hoping to catch does and fawns coming up out of the feeding area and go into this bedding or thicket area and be able to put one down here on camera. It's been a great year. I harvested a great Ohio buck, and if you guys haven't had a chance, it should be a very educational video, I hope, for you. Check it out. My boy's video for his awesome Ohio whitetail is out, and I'll be putting out a video for my West Virginia archery whitetail as well, so check those out. Not sure if they'll come out before or after this video. Well, let's get back to deer hunting, see if we can't settle in here and get on a doe coming into bed down. So fingers crossed, everyone. Here's a deer. I'm not joking. There's a deer right there. Oh, there's a couple of them. All right, that one is the doe. So I don't know what happened, but it looked like, I don't know, 5 or 6 deer came running out of that thicket and blew them out. Got a couple standing still right behind me, but it's so thick. I'd be curious to know what blew them out of this thicket. Whether it's a coyote or maybe a buck. That's good. I had a group of, I don't know if you guys can hear me, it's really windy. But I had a group of does and fawns that came in this morning. And I was all settled in, getting ready to get down, make the shot. And all of a sudden a bunch of deer came blowing out of the thicket and ran them all off. And then I was just sitting here talking with my buddy, and I looked and I saw a few drop down into the bottom, and they were down in here below me. And the one came across, and my wind's blowing right straight down, and I think they picked up my wind, and they kind of moved back a little bit, or the one did, and the doe was still standing there and presented me with about a 100-yard shot. And so I shot, and she came running up the hill and piled up here just down below me. 350 legend, 180 grain. I'm saying maybe ran 40-50 yards and piled up. But I'm happy. That's good. That's what the landowner wanted. I wanted to be able to take another doe off the property for him, so let's get everything taken apart, and let's go down, take a look at the doe, and then we'll have to go get some help, get the side by side, but get the kids to help, and see about bringing this doe in. So anyways, I love deer hunting, period, and just being able to doe hunt too is just a lot of fun. So we'll get back with you as soon as I'm on the ground here and easing up to this doe. Good size doe. You see her? Good size doe. We'll get set up here and we'll just close it out real quick. Well folks, very blessed. This is my second doe I've been able to take here in rifle season. Passed up a decent number of bucks here in gun, definitely a lot in bow, but haven't been able to get on a big one that I really wanted to harvest as far as a buck. And the landowner was wanting some does taken off the property, and I was happy to oblige, so took one here. I don't know what it's been, a week ago maybe, and then today was able to go ahead and take another one. Came real close this morning to having a perfect setup. Group of them had come in, was right below me, had plenty of time to get staged. Needed her to just take a couple more steps, and all of a sudden, boom, I don't know what it was, 4, 5, 6, 7 deer just came blowing through, and picked them up with them and took off running, and kind of blew that opportunity. Then I had another little scrub buck come through, but anyway, able to take this doe, real nice bodied doe, and we'll help again another family get some more meat here for the winter. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, keep bringing you more content, and as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.